welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing physics and we're going to be learning about friction. So this is quite a short video, but it's very important. So what is friction? I want you to have a think what friction is, and then we'll go through and see what it is. Okay, let's have a look. So friction is created when two objects or surfaces that are touching move past each other. So for example, if you rub your hands together, they get warm. And this is because there is resistance to the rubbing motion. This is called friction. What causes friction then? So your hands might look smooth, but on a microscopic level, they have rough surfaces. So when you rub your hands together, you feel the resistive force of friction. So how I got doing this, please ignore my broken finger. If you do this, it gets warm, and that's the resistance. That's the resistance right there. That's called friction. So you've got friction, which is the resistance. Friction always tries to slow down moving objects. So we say it opposes motion. So friction is good because without friction, we wouldn't be able to walk, sit in a chair, or drive safely. Everything would keep sliding and falling over. So we need friction between our feet and the ground, or we would not be able to stand up. Because we would literally slip and flip, because the friction helps us not slip, okay? Friction is bad because if you want to push something heavy, friction makes it harder to move. Friction causes heat. And if heat builds up, it's not a good thing. We can reduce friction by using oil, okay? And oil is a really good thing to resist friction, to resist against friction. Now I'm just looking something up on Bite Size, just to check that there is something on it. Because, okay, so if you want to do a little bit more research on Bite Size before we move on to the worksheets, please go to BBC Bite Size and look at friction. There's a whole page on friction, and you can learn all about it and learn some more details, what it is and how it happens and how it occurs, and it's really good. This video is not sponsored, by the way, so definitely go check that out if you are interested in more information about friction. But that was just a quick overview because we did learn a little bit about it in our forces lesson, so it's just a quick overview, and then hopefully the worksheets will help you get a better understanding of friction, and I think it'll really help if you just went and did a little bit more research as well, but don't worry if not, but it's just an idea. So this is the first worksheet. Let me just check. Okay, fill in the blanks. So have a go, pause the video and come back. Okay, so let's go through the answers. Now, unfortunately, my answers haven't actually saved, so we're going to have to go through them together, but that doesn't matter. So friction is a force. Okay, so friction is a force caused by two surfaces moving over each other. Now, rough surfaces produce more friction than smooth surfaces. Now, do you know why this is? Well, this is because if you think, if a bike is going over a rough, bumpy, stony track, it's gonna go slower. And this is because there is more obstacles in the way. There is more things slowing it down, okay? There's more resistance, as we would say in physics. But if you are moving over a smooth, really smooth tarmac road, then there's going to be less resistance because there's not as many obstacles, there's not as many bumps, okay, so there's not as much resistance. So that is how friction works, and why, you know, there's more resistance on bumpy roads or areas or rough areas than smooth areas, okay? Because there's more resistance on the rough areas than there is on the smooth areas, okay? So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the bye. Bye!